of clothes are those?
It's an anti-sneeze suit.
Anti-sneeze? Oh, you mean anti-freeze. To keep you warm.
No, anti-sneeze. With this suit on, I can visit Hatter, and he won't sneeze.
Well, you better have a test run first. Make that a test walk.
Okay, so the suit isn't perfect. At least I can still visit my best friend. And I can still look my best.
One for you, one for me, and none for Hare. I sure miss him.
So do I.
Me too. No one should be hairless.
How true that is. Don't move, Alice. I'll protect us.
Hello.
Aliens!
I didn't invite any aliens, did you?
I don't even know any aliens.
It's me. Here.
Hair? What in the world or out of this world are you wearing?
It's my new anti-sneeze suit.
Anti-sneeze suit? It works! I'm not sneezing! What a day this is, man! This is just a river.
Oh, no. Even the anti-sneeze suit doesn't help.
Sorry, Hatter. I thought this would work. Oh, and don't worry. I'll remember to stay far away from you at the flower naming party. So long.
I guess it's like they always say,
What's that?
to stay close, keep away.
My flowers. What an honor.
Oh, an honor you richly deserve. Tell me, Hare, were you born with a green thumb?
No, but I think I had a full head of hair.
Oh, flower?
Thank you.
Flower?
Thank you.
Flower?
Thank you.
Hey, what about me? Thanks. You know how important good grooming is to a cat.
Hello.
Flower? Oh, sorry, Hatter. I seem to have run out of flowers.
But there's a whole bunch over there.
I can't touch those flowers. Those are for the Queen. But perhaps Her Majesty will let you have one after the ceremony. Welcome, fellow flower fanciers. We are here today so I can officially name the new flower that Hare grew in honor of a great queen, me. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. After much serious thought, I've decided to call my flowers... What in the world was that awful noise?
It's Mr. Hatter sneezing, Your Majesty. I'm afraid he's allergic to Mr. Hare.
But he's standing next to Tweedledee. Perhaps he's allergic to both of them. Well then, Hatter, move away from them. Now, as I was saying, I decided to name my flowers... Hatter, I thought I told you to step away from Tweedledee if you were allergic to him.
I did, Your Majesty. Now it looks like I'm allergic to Tweedledum.
Well, don't stand next to him either.
Oh, yeah, right.
Now, if there are no more interruptions, I've decided to name my flowers... For heaven's sake, Hatter, who are you allergic to now?
Why, he seems to be allergic to me, Your Majesty. But before he got here, he was only allergic to Mr. Hare.
Now he seems to be allergic to all of his friends.
Don't blame me. After all, I'm above suspicion.
Well, then, all the rest of you step back and let the Hatter stand by himself in front of the podium. Now, if the Hatter has finished sneezing, I've decided to name my flower.
It's the new flowers.
My flowers?
Mr. Hatter isn't allergic to us. He's allergic to the flowers.
Well, if they were still here, I was going to call my new flowers Royal Blue Posies. But now I'm not so sure. We need a name so we'll remember to keep them far away from the Mad Hatter. Let's see.
How about nosy posies?
I've got it! Nosy Posies!
Hare, my good friend, now we can be together again.
I almost forgot.
A friend who doesn't make you sneeze is a friend indeed. Tomorrow, 4 o'clock.
Dinah! When I said my collage needed something extra, I didn't mean a big gray cat. What I've decided it needs is a big blue flower. Perfect. Looks like a blue ribbon collage to me.